All right, we're gonna jump right into this one. Raised dog dish. We got a couple boards here, a couple of bowls we picked up, 60 ounce, our drill with the bit, and of course our pocket hole jig. Let's get into it. This is the 9-inch wide board for the base. We need two 20-inch pieces first. Now we need two 8 3/4. We got the 11 1/4 wide piece in here. We need a 22 1/2 for the top. Okay, now we measure the hole we need. So what I usually do is just give myself a little bit, not too much. And 8 inches looks like it's going to be perfect for this to drop right in. Okay, now that we found the center of the board, we came in 5 3/4 from each edge and marked it for our 8-inch holes we're going to cut. We set our compass at 4 inches, so then we spin it, it'll give you an 8-inch hole. Now that we got our holes cut out, let's drill some starter holes and hit it with the jigsaw. Okay, now we got our holes cut and the dishes fit perfect. Let's go ahead and start building the base. Okay, let's build the base. We got a couple clamps here. When you're putting this together, make sure that you're putting together like that instead of short. Let's do a couple pocket holes. What I usually do is I just run it right to the edge. Okay, now that we got our 2 pocket holes to bolt into both sides, and we got 1 pocket hole going up to hold the top on for the sides. Okay, we did 3 pocket holes to drill up to the spot where the bowls are to hold it all together. Okay, now that we have it glued and clamped, make sure that all your holes for the top are facing the right direction. We're using 1-inch Craig screws. Here it can get a bit tricky. A small impact driver works usually best. The shorter the bit, the better it's going to be. Because these ones are a little tough to get at. Okay, now that we got the base done, the top done, put the glue on, clamped it down, and now we'll bolt them two together. Boom, nailed it. It looks absolutely amazing, sturdy. We're gonna let the glue cure. We'll do a part 2 of routing the edges, classic gray, and then we'll put some paws on the front. But until next time, nothing but love from Jimmy here in the wood shop.